Hey guys, this is your boy Layo, JFS of Layo JFS Design Academy. I welcome you all to today's brand new episode of Photoshop Tutorial. Today we are going to continue from where we stopped on the Photoshop Gradient series that we started last week. So, brethren, if you miss the previous tutorial, please check the description below for link to watch the previous tutorial, that is the episode 1 we started last week, so you'll be able to understand this episode 2. Please check the episode 1 to understand what we are going to do in this episode 2. So without wasting much of our time, let's get into business of the day. Okay, so today we will try to explain what the different I'll be giving you the different types of gradients we have in Photoshop. Last week we started gradient, so today we'll be going to the different types of gradients we have in Photoshop. So when it comes to gradients, Photoshop offers a wide variety of options, and in Photoshop we have 5 different types of gradients. 5 different type of gradients, and this gradient is located right beside this gradients editor. If you followed my last week tutorial, I explained what this is about. So this is the types of gradients we have now. This is it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 types of gradients. So we'll be taking them one after the other and explaining and showing you how it looks like when you are using them. So number 1, we have the linear gradients. Number 1 types of gradient, we have the linear gradients. The linear gradient is created by blending 2 colors together in a straight line. This allows to create a linear. Simply to create this linear, rather, you simply select the linear. You select this one, the linear gradient tool from the toolbar, and you now click and drag. Before you click, let's create a new layer for it first. Okay, you click and drag. Okay, and this is how the linear looks like. But let's make it a little bit short and let's start from the middle so we can get our desired results. Start from the middle here. You start from here. If you want to get the desired result, you have to start from the middle. Okay, can you see now? In our last class, I taught us something about the longer the tool, the lighter the color will be, and the shorter it is, that's how strong the color will look like. Check my previous class, you understand what I'm saying. Let me just do it. This, look at it. You see now, very short. That is how it looks like. Alright, let me give you an example of a short one. See how heavy it is, but let me make it very long. And see the difference. Alright, now let's go to number 2, the second type of gradient, which is the radial gradient. Radial. That means in this one, it's also combined 2 colors, like blending 2 colors together in a circular or elliptical shape to create a radial gradient. So if you want to create a radial gradient, follow the same step as the first one. You click on this gradient, then you come to the middle, draw it. Can you see? You know, I told you it's from a circular or a elliptical shape. Can you see now? This is circular. Now let's press Ctrl Z and make it a little bit short so you can see the desired result. Now you see now it makes a circular shape. So now number 3 is the angle gradient. Angle what? Gradient. this angle gradient is also combines two or more color together in angled shape. So if you want to create this angle shape, we also click on it and come to this middle again and draw it. And you see now it said it creates an angle. This is the angle, create an angle. So now let's move to the fourth one, which is the reflected gradient. The reflected gradient is also created by blending two or more colors together in a shape that is reflected across a line. So let's test it. See this. Can you see? It's reflected across the line. This is the line. Reflected there, reflected there. So that is all about reflected gradient. Now let's go to the last one, which is the diamond gradient. So let's just see how it looks like. Also, this diamond gradient is created also by blending two colors together in a diamond shape. So if you want to create it also, just like the previous step, just come to the middle. Just see now it looks like a diamond shape. So we have talked about the 5 types of gradients. So this is the first way of using it. I have another second. There's also a second step, another step, or another way you can access these gradient types. This is done by going to the layers, go to the new fill layer and go to the gradients. So this is it, and click OK. Okay, can you see now? Here you can choose different. You can choose angle, you can choose reflected, you can choose diamond, just like that. Yeah, you can even go to this place and pick different type of shapes you want. Can you see? So that's just for that. Now here you can change the angle. Here, like you can change the angle of your gradient. Here you can see it changing. So here you can change the scale. See, so you can reset it here, reset it back. Like when you change it, you can reset it back to the previous one. So it's just it, and you can make it detail if you want it to have more depth. You can reverse it here. Reverse it, like for example, this red that is there can come to this black, and black comes to this business. See now. So that's all about gradients, the types of gradients we have in Photoshop. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. So please, if you have just joining this page for the first time or channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button so you can always see the notification anytime we are back on this channel. So please, I'm begging you, please help me to share this video. Please share this video to all others that you know it needs this. Please share it. God bless you. Thank you.